Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will walk you through on how to use the Automate Batch feature in Photoshop. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. The Automate Batch feature allows you to automatically apply an action across multiple images. First, you have to identify the action you want to automate across images. I want to use the border action. Tap on File, Automate, Batch. Make sure you have the correct folder selected, the correct action selected. For source, select Open Files if you want to apply to all opened images. You can add other settings if necessary. Tap on OK and you will see instantly the border action has been applied to all opened images. That is it for today, and thank you for watching. If this was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and see you next time.